First, I introduce myself. My name is Alfredo. All my friends know me. Nickname is Jiraya. I never made this in my whole life. I'm not builder, but in the January, I'm so proud because I made this great job, the fence, because the storm is gold, the oldest fence. I'm very excited to explain for you step by step about this foundation, barbecue and oven. In this great project, I made here the bench, the little bench, and here igloo oven. And this place is Brazilian style brick barbecue. And here is a little sink to prepare all dish. And this little place I made the beer on top because I deserve it. I explain better for step by step about all foundation. It's the day after. It's a sunshine in London. Yesterday I talked about the project with this fence. After this great project, I'm just joking when I talk about the great project because it's a simple fence. Okay, in this video I show you about the unfinished foundation, the concrete and the reinforcement. For the next stage, from all the material for barbecue. It's a sunshine again in London. It's a very beautiful weather. Now I don't have nothing to do because it's coronavirus. Yes. Very near from Heathrow Airport. Now I talk about the concrete slab for charcoal. I put this slab here, it's concrete slab, because all ash charcoal go under, I will take out for cleaning all the time I finish my barbecue. In this place here I will put reinforcement bar. All this place includes inside this brick here. The mortar I mix 4 part cement, 4 part sand, 1 part cement, and this here just 15 ml for 1 part cement. This it's a very complicated because I need all the time do this to cut the brick. If I do this, all the tools made support me. If I do, it's possible you do, because I never do this in my whole life. My passion is financial market, but the coronavirus, I say, oh, what I do in my house? Okay, I do Brazilian barbecue. See you next time. In this stage, I show you about the reinforcement bar to hold all this slab concrete. I put all this reinforcement bar, have a hole inside this brick. I put inside, yes. And here have a MDF. I put for hold the MDF after hold the concrete slab, the bricks. I put the MDF inside the plastic bag because it's very easy when the concrete is very dry to remove. It's very easy to remove. How I do the concrete? I put 3 parts for sand, 3 parts aggregate stone, 1 part from cement. I have all this here for tomorrow. Typical day is about 11 degrees. It's not too cold for me because I'm a Brazilian blood. Don't worry, just joking. Now I show you about the Brazilian barbecue. In this stage, all the Brazilian barbecue need to put the reinforcement bar. Why put the reinforcement bar? Because if you don't have the fire, make a crack in the brick. All this until the cover. Here is the basement from oven igloo and reinforcement bar. I put too much. I broke and put this. And here the slab to support the reinforcement bar. When I finish all the slab inside concrete is dry, I take out this. And here I put iron 10 millimeter for all this place. Now I mix the concrete, 2 parts sand, 3 parts aggregate, and 1 part cement. Now I'm start transfer this and here. Or deliver this place for the slab concrete. About the calcium silicate, the concrete slab, and all the barbecue and fire brick. And all this stage for the Brazilian barbecue, I put under, between in the bricks, a reinforcement bar, 10 millimeter. You know this. All the bricks and the level, very all in level. Now I show you about the concrete slab. It's very dry. And at the top of the concrete slab, I will protect the concrete with calcium silicate, 6.5 centimeter. And at the top of the calcium silicate, the fire brick. Why put the calcium silicate? The calcium silicate protect the concrete about the heat coming in the oven, and the function is go back the heating inside the oven. This support more than 1000 degrees Celsius. It's very important put this insulation. And the fire brick for all cover all this superfice. Today is 15 May 2020. This is the end of the first video. In the next video I show you how to make the art from the Brazilian brick barbecue. See you next time. Thanks for watching.